welcome back to the 5.0 Tussin YouTube channel, and that was strictly for the algorithm. I hope you appreciate it. Eventually I'm just going to quit saying that because I don't really care about the algorithm. I don't even know why I'm saying it now, because you know what? Oh, made a mess. Ooh, that still had like 5 drops in. I could have blew the yard up. Damn it. Oh, bam, 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 bam. Oh, shit. Okay. I don't want to get shit-faced right in front of everybody. That's going to be weird. Okay. After you have taken a cool sip of your energy drink, you need to decide what weights you're going to do in the gym. This is Gym 101 Tussin tip. You decide what weights you want to go with. You start out a little light, which would be probably the X303. You get a hold of it. David wrapped this in some special science wrap and then wrote X303 Ronde on it. So here we go. A couple quick curls. Oh yeah, come on. It's not even a test. Let's grab this. This right here, you gotta be careful. It's the Lenati 51028. It is a cop off of the Wolverine cam, more or less. Let me see how this feels. This one's, oh my God, here we go. Yeah, oh my God, I feel it. I feel it, I feel it grow. That really wasn't that funny, was it? I didn't think it was. I don't know, it may have been a little funny. And then, there's this, the B303. Technically speaking, I don't even have to lift this. I can just hold it like this right here, and I am instantly a member of the FO crew. If you don't know what that means, Google's your friend. But that's everything this says right here. Oh my God, my tongue just got stronger. Holy crap. All right, what are we doing? We're thinking about we're going to put a cam in Trojan. This is dicey because we do not know, if you haven't seen any of the videos, we do not know what cam is in Trojan. We bought it thinking we were told it was a B303. We had no reason not to believe the person that we bought it from. We've bought multiple parts from them. They never even looked in the box. They got it from a guy, said B303 in a motorsport box, blah, blah, blah. We got 50 bucks. So, I mean, 50 bucks. I'd buy every B303 cam there is for $50. I'd build a house out of them, or a stick, or a tank. I don't know. Just 50 bucks. You're making me buy it. We get it home, open the box. It's not a B303. Doesn't have any numbers on it. We went through this before, yada, yada, yada. We did the caliper lobe checking deal, and it's 509, 509 on the lift. That's not dead nuts accurate. That is what the math that I got off my caliper worked out to. 509, 509. We don't know anything about duration or anything like that. So, it runs good. I'm not even going to say it doesn't, because it runs good, and it's ran some decent mile an hour. But I prefer to know what's in it. Maybe there's an improvement somewhere. I mean, I'm not going to retard or advance or all this other stuff. I got a $20 AutoZone time and chain on it. We do that bitch dot to dot. You know what I mean? Tussin tip. Dot to dot. And we pray those Chinese got them dots lined up. But we're not going to put the B cam in, even though there are so many, especially these young kids, 20, 25, I say 30, not a kid, that just discovered the magical 5-liter. Like, they only started building them when they were born, or just, oh my gosh, 5-liter. And letter cams are outdated. Hey, no shit. But they still work. They still work. You act like they're just total garbage. Well, there's better cams out there. No kidding. No kidding. A custom cam is probably literally better than any off-the-shelf cam. The precious Stage 1, the Anderson stuff, which technically isn't really custom because they just sell cams that they've designed that they know work. Not hating, I got Anderson. I ain't hating on it, but stop with the custom cam. We're not putting the custom cam. We're not buying a custom cam. I will not buy a custom cam just because people say buy them all the time, and I like being that guy. So the simple fact that it's a letter cam, and if it runs good, that bugs people for some reason. It just bugs them. And then the people that do have letter cams are like, see, I told you those letter cams are awesome. So the B303, probably not going to put it in, even though it would be great. We've got an X303, which is basically just a B303's big brother. We're going to be running these with 1.7s, so keep that in mind. The B303, here's the specs. Whatever sheet, there we go. If not, Jesus Christ, it's like 224, 224, 484, 484, and 107, 117 is 112, whatever. So, whatever. Pretty good little cam. We've actually ran fast with B303 and EFI and in carbureted stuff. Fast to me. It ran good. Didn't have no complaints. X303 is basically a B cam, but with more lift. It's 542 with 1.6s. With 1.7s, it's like add 30. It's basically like 570 lift cam. 224 as well. The Wolverine is like 221, 230 something on a 108. And it's like 525 something else. I'll put the deal right here. These are the 3 cams we have to choose from. Let's just say we're not going to use the B cam. We got the X. I've ran this X before. I had it the fail TD. Ran pretty good. We ran 680 or 682 was the fastest we went with the fail TD with GT40s and an X cam. I have ran the Wolverine, look, 51208. I've ran that in Pro Stock. It ran pretty good. I don't have any complaints. And I think we actually ran our PB with this cam in it. I would have to look back at my notes, but I think so. And we also ran good with B cam. We ran really good in Pro Stock with a B cam because that's what it had in it originally. So these are 3 cams, or we could leave this cam in. I really want to put something else in it just to see if there's a difference. So you guys tell me in the comments section, which cam would you use? These are your only choices. You cannot choose any other cam. You cannot choose an Anderson N4. You cannot choose a Stage 1 TFS. You cannot choose anything out of the comp catalog. You cannot choose any other cam. If you decide to vote independent with another cam, your vote will be ignored like it should be. Lanati, B, X, off with your head. Or leave that cam in. I don't think we're going to do that. We're going to try a cam. You guys tell me what you think. So, also, the thumbnail, I had Teresa send me, I said, hey, what are you wearing today? I want to use you for a thumbnail for the camshaft thing. So, not clickbait you guys. I just thought it'd be funny because she knows nothing about camshafts, kind of a deal. And her hands will get greasy, and she's wearing her work clothes, so she'll be like, oh. But she'll do it because she loves me, and that's a beautiful thing. Need to pick up those 2 camshafts.
Is that one greasy?
They're both greasy. Just pick them up. Don't touch them against your clothes.
Yeah, I'm not going to. Just these?
Yeah.
How do I hold them?
Just like
I'm going to lift weights?
Won't you pick one up and see how heavy it is first? Don't drop it.
Oh my God.
Okay, see?
Okay.
Now pick the other one up.
Oh, it's kind of heavy. I'm a weakling.
Oh my God.
No.
Okay.
Why didn't you have me like wear gloves or something?
Well, I don't have any gloves. Real men don't wear gloves. Okay.
Well, I'm not a man.
That's, yeah, obvious. Okay. I just need you to don't kind of, hold them up or something. What are you looking at?
What the sticker says.
Oh, yeah. Kind of hold them up like you're.
Oh, God.
Okay, now do them kind of like you're crossing them like an X or something. Like,
Try not to touch my clothes.
Yeah.
That's hard. That's really hard to do.
Okay, that's good. You can put them back down. What? Okay, don't
like
make
I've
it.
got.
Don't.
Oh no! Like
Oh,
I've got.
God. Look, don't get creative.
I want to be like Deadpool. Those are heavy. Okay.
You're
Now
more
what?
like cesspool. That would be me, though. Honestly, you'd be more like a. I don't know what you would be. Oh, you're doing a great job. You're getting a workout.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can put them down now.
Yes,
Okay.
just gently. Well, it's not like it's a rim and a tire.
I know, but I'm not.
Oh. And just hurry.
I'm trying not to touch this
Here,
one
I'll
with
give you a
the
rag.
Other one.
I'll give you a rag.
Exactly. Do I need to put this back on?
No, just leave it alone. You're good. You can tell everybody thank you for the birthday gifts. No, not gifts. The comments.
Speaking of gifts.
Which.
Thank you for the birthday wishes.
Yeah, that's it. All right, say bye.
Say bye.
Bye. So, thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. You are freaking awesome. Yeah, I think you are. You're pretty awesome. But especially, we gotta put our cool kid glasses on. Thanks for watching. Damn, they got Mountain Dew on them. And until next time on Substandard Leader and Fox Body videos on this here man's YouTube. 1 year, single plane, 5-speed, 5.0 push rod. 1 year on the Lincoln Town Cars, 4 drag vans. It's on the comeback trail. You guys know all about that. Proud owner, proprietor, lap dancer, masseuse. We got masseuse into the Club Big Boost. Who wants a rub and a touch? I mean, happy endings cost extra. Bartender, floor mopper, and I also refill the machine in the bathroom that puts out the plastic things that everyone should be using. Of Club Big Boost, and as always, fighting the good fight against them zombie Mustangs. He is on the list for this year. I hope we can get it done. And that rascal Dr. Fear. We'll see you guys in the next Gosh Dog video.